Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a shared Google Docs in Google Drive. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you in this desktop, but if you're using iPhone or Android, you can follow the same step. Okay, so let's start with the video. So guys, first you need to open the Google Drive. So let it first. So guys, here you can see this is my Google Drive, and you have to log in with your email ID, Gmail email ID. Then you can open the Google Drive. Okay. So here, if you want to create a shared Google Docs, you can create easily. Okay. So first, go to the new, and you can create the Google Docs here. You can take the templates, or you can create the blank. So after create, the Google Docs file will be open. Make sure you log in with the same email ID. It will be by default open with the same email ID, but sometimes it's what happen if you have more than one email login, that maybe there is a email will be switched. So just check the same email ID over there on both Google Drive and Docs. Now just update whatever you want to write on Docs. You can write, or you can manage. Okay, after that you can rename it. Just rename like shared docs, whatever you want. Okay, so you can also move it with the particular folder, or you can create new folder here. The all folder will show in Google Drive also. Okay, so I just create one folder from here. You can create new folder from here also. Okay, you can create new folder from here also, or you can directly create new folder here also. So just create new folder like shared docs file. Okay, create new folder and just move this docs on this folder. You can see the folder has been created. Now come to the Google Drive. Okay, so here this folder, yeah, shared docs file. Yes, shared docs file. Just open it. The folder has been created, and this is my file. So now if you want to share this Google Docs, or if you want to make it shareable, you can make it you can share the folder, or you can share a file also, but I will suggest you share the folder only. Now go to this option, select the first folder, and click on this option. Okay, share the share option, or you can just right click on it and go to the share option. Okay, so so here this is your email ID, and you are the owner. Now just enter the email ID to whom you want to share. So you can enter the up to 50 email ID here, and okay, so this email ID, or this person will be access your Google Drive folder, this folder, and whatever file in this, it will be accessible by others. Like others means only this person. Okay, just write the mail message if you want, and here you can change the permission like viewer only. If you keep it editor, that means these people can edit your file or delete your file. So make it only viewer. If you want to don't want to changes from others, so just make it viewer only, so they can only view your file, and just send it. So after send, you will see this file has this teeny icon, the teeny one human icon. That means you have shared this file. So in this folder you can't see this teeny human, but in this folder you can see, uh, because you share with others. Okay, so now when you share this others, the others people this get on this tab, share with me. So this folder will show on others drive on this tab, and they can just view and open this folder. Okay, they can open the folder, they can view your folder. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.